Did you know that a simple doodle can completely change your art style? In this series of videos, I'm talking about different mark making techniques and how they can be used to transform your drawings from simple sketches to expressive artworks. However, before we start scribbling, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more videos like this. So let's get into it. Mark making is basically doodling with purpose. It's the process of playing with lines, dots and patterns to make your art come alive. These marks can be loose and expressive or neat and tidy. It's totally up to you. It's a great way to find your own artistic voice. Every little mark is like your signature, your way of saying, yep, this is me. I've been experimenting with 4 different mark making approaches to create interesting lines, shapes and patterns. All of these methods can help you discover marks that feel personal and can be used to inspire your future work. In my previous video, I talked about automatic mark making, a method which involves tapping into the subconscious mind. In this video, I'm talking about intuitive mark making, where the conscious mind is allowed to join in with the process. Intuitive mark making is a method which involves the creation of drawings without a fixed plan, guided by inner emotions and memories. Furthermore, these intuitive marks can be used to enhance figurative works, as demonstrated by artists such as Vincent van Gogh and Edvard Munch. Vincent van Gogh was a post-impressionist artist and is famous for his energetic, distinct and expressive lines that rarely blend, giving his drawings and paintings a unique dynamic texture. Edvard Munch was part of the Symbolist and Expressionism movements. He used spontaneous and searching lines together with non-naturalistic colours to express anxiety, fear, isolation and love. However, if you're interested in abstract art, I would suggest exploring the works of artists such as Cy Twombly, Jackson Pollock and Helen Frankenthaler to learn how they use these intuitive processes. So here's how to explore intuitive drawing. Firstly, ensure your environment is quiet. Try to clear your mind of any cluttered thoughts and get into a calm and relaxed state. Then tap into some selected thoughts and inner emotions. For example, you could think about books that you've read, places that you've travelled to, or what's happening in the world. Create a series of drawings by tapping into the emotions you feel when experiencing these conscious thoughts. Make sure your drawings are not too small. You'll get more interesting results with bigger drawings where there's space on the page to create large gestural marks. As you tap into a wide range of thoughts and emotions, you'll create numerous sketches that convey diverse moods with varying intensity. The key to success is embracing freedom, focus less on technical perfection and more on creating marks that feel natural, expressive and authentic. When you've finished, have a look for your drawings. Seek out the marks which inspire you to create further work. You might like to repeat some drawings to make them more precise, or you may want to loosen them up, or you may choose to draw more complex patterns or combine them with your realistic work to make it more expressive. This was a very quiet drawing exercise. However, in my next video, I'm talking about how your drawings can be influenced by music. So stay tuned for that. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more art inspiration.